Vipassana was the term what Buddha used to use. He used to teach only two things to his disciples. Even to himself also, he taught that these two things. And just through these two things only, he became super enlightened one. He cracked his super consciousness, Buddha. And he was not Buddha before that. He was just a seeker, serious seeker before that. And when he cracked that, when he activated that, then he became Buddha. And anyone can become Buddha. Buddha is one who is enlightened. And how he became enlightened one? Through two practices. First was called Shamat, is called Jhana. Jhana in Sanskrit is called Dhyana. In Chinese this is called Chan. In Japanese that is called Zen. That is same Jhana. This is called Shamat. And second practice he practiced was called Vipassana. So Jhana or Shamat or Dhyana or meditation in English. Jhana is called meditation in English. So meditation or jhana, he used to call it tranquility or peace. So peace is the first thing we have to cultivate, we have to develop in ourselves. And second, vipassana, which is translated as insight or the light of ourselves, inner light. And inner light shines forth when we have deep silence inside us, when we have deep mental peace inside us. So long mind chatters, so long mind traps you, so long mind victimizes you, you cannot be in the silence, you cannot be in the peace. So we have to calm down the mind. This is what is called yoga by Patanjali. Patanjali's yoga is not gymnastic. Patanjali's yoga was called Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Chitta is mind, Vritti is mental activities, Nirodh is complete tranquility, no activity of mind. When your mind even doesn't think, doesn't visualize, doesn't plan, doesn't give words to any phenomenon or any perception, when your mind is complete, what you call detached from yourself, so long your mind thinks that this is Nadia, then your mind will become again out of that state called out of yoga, out of jhana, out of meditation, out of tranquility. So that is one part, one wing. Another wing is light, intelligence. And Buddha calls it insight or vipassana. Vipassana means to see. And at the end you will find both merge in one each other.
Yeah.
Both merge in each other. How? This is like yin and yang, yin and yang become one.
Yeah.
Non-duality becomes non-duality. And non-duality becomes duality. When you see everything from that lens, that is called non-dual lens. When you don't see that this is suffering and this is happiness, when you see happiness in suffering and suffering in happiness, then only we wake up in non-dualism, which is the goal of Kundalini awakening also, which is the goal of Tantra also, which is the goal of Vedanta, Yoga, which is the goal of Shamat and Vipassana. They are both merged interchangeably. They become one. This is what is called quantum physics. Quantum physics says that the energy is the particles and the same energy is the waves also. This is called volatile nature. Two natures at the same time, but of the same energy, has a two behaviors, right? And in this practice, in this training, we will have to train ourselves in this non-dual consciousness, and we'll have to keep both things together. One is called tranquility, another is called the light perception, and there at the end both merge, and the moment they merge, both disappear